Hello everyone, I'm Willem Osich. Welcome to BotSplash TV. This week I'll be going over business development and what it all entails at a very high level. Business development is the missing link between sales and marketing. It aims to promote growth and add revenue for a company through relationship building and overall grit. Picking up the phone to make cold calls, writing cold emails, and being active on LinkedIn can very well encapsulate some of the tasks a business development representative or manager can see throughout their day. These tasks can easily be done from home remotely. In-person meetings, however, as well as networking opportunities, do allow for business development to, well, truly develop. So, if you're into sales and building relationships, do consider business development. I'm Willem Osich. Thank you for watching BotSplash TV.